Todd's Carpet and Tile Cleaning. Call or text 702-595-0488.
In this week's court report, Michael Gerke is recently sentenced in district court to 1 to more than 2 years for the formal charge of assault upon an officer. The defendant made a guilty plea agreement back in December. Here's video of his sentencing hearing, during which Gerke's attorney, Nathan Gent, briefs the record and requests probation so the defendant may transfer to Oklahoma, where he has family. Then the defendant addressed the court himself before being sentenced to 12 to 30 months, along with all standard fines and fees and 0 days credit for time served. Notably, back in June 2019, Michael Gerke was identified and detained along with Shelania Johnson in connection to a vehicle that was confirmed stolen from Mineral County. Gerke told police he bought the car a few days prior from some guy for $450. However, investigators never found any bill of sale, but did find a glass smoking pipe with black residue commonly used to ingest meth, along with other drug paraphernalia and needles. Both Gerke and Johnson were arrested. Jonathan Williams, an area man arrested after being accused in a home invasion back in October, has his case bound over to district court. Notably, multiple NCSO deputies and Pahrump Valley Fire and Rescue responded to the area where the victims stated they were sleeping and heard someone attempting to open their glass front door. That's when one occupant got out of bed and began looking for his firearm. Then the other occupant heard a loud banging sound and glass breaking. The occupants say the suspect, who was later identified as Williams, ran southbound toward Petrick Park. And in addition to that home invasion, investigators also say Williams broke into 2 ambulances and 2 fire squad trucks, taking several items out of the vehicles and destroying several items. When Williams was confronted by firefighters, he attempted to run away with a medical bag in his hand. That prompted firefighters to chase the suspect before Williams exchanged punches with one firefighter just prior to being detained. During Williams' pretrial hearing, it was noted that Williams will enter a guilty plea in district court to a gross misdemeanor. Then the state will dismiss another of Williams' cases and the related misdemeanor. Finally, the court granted the defense's motion for an OR release, but with standard conditions: refrain from use and consumption of alcohol, illegal drugs, or marijuana, no adverse contact with law enforcement, and Williams must make all future court dates. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 25.